Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a brand new feature that was recently added to the Simple Commissions Mailbot program. I'm going to do a quick Mailbot Simple Commissions review, let you know more about it, and if you have a work from home business, whether it be network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct selling, and you want a very good way to get automation working for you, generate traffic, generate leads, and get more sales, not only for Mailbot, but also get more sales for your current opportunities, then definitely pay very close attention to this video. So when you first join, you're going to go through the onboarding process, which literally takes less than 10 minutes, very, very newbie friendly. And once you go through the onboarding, you're going to see a link, a button at the top that's going to say dashboard. And when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. So here you'll see I have my affiliate link. I also have my Mailbot email address. Every new member gets their very own Mailbot email address, and that's for automation. You also can set up your Mailbot from this link here, and you also have the ability to check out your leads when you click on all leads, and then you can also click on all members. Now, the really cool thing about this, Mailbot right now, for me, has been converting at almost 40%. So that's absolutely insane. You know, the results speak for themselves. And when you come down here, you'll see this Start Here link. So you can open this up to get yourself started along with going through the onboarding. And there is an update that's going to be coming very soon. I got some information on this, and it's going to be a video voice update, which I can't wait for this thing to come out. And let's talk a little bit more about Mailbot and what it can do for you. So this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You have the ability with Mailbot, which is the product, and Simple Commissions, which is the company, to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. You could change these out. It's interchangeable anytime you want to add something, a new program you're involved in. You only have to go through the onboarding to do that. And this system pays out unlimited $100 instantly paid to you. You could set up your payment options, and you can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So what Mailbot actually does, and you're going to want to come down here and watch this quick 3-minute video. What Mailbot actually does is not only does it promote itself, but it will promote your 3 opportunities automatically. So it's going to send out emails on your behalf daily. And I've been getting a lot of leads for my other offers as well. As a matter of fact, using Mailbot in just about 6 weeks now, I've earned close to $2,000 from Mailbot for Simple Commissions, but I've also made multiple sales in the opportunities that I currently promote. Income disclaimer, like any other business, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are really based on your own personal effort, so keep that in mind. And then you're going to see all of the things that Simple Commissions and Mailbot can do for you as far as the AI. Be sure that you scroll this page so that you could see this information. I love the automation behind it. So if you're not good at email marketing, no worries. Mailbot does everything for you. You just simply tell it what you want it to do. And the most important thing, when you get access to this page, you want to come down here and click here to email my Mailbot. Very, very important. One other really cool feature and thing about Mailbot, when people opt in, right, they watch the 3-minute video. Let's say they have questions. Instead of them emailing you, all they have to do is email your Mailbot with whatever question they have. And guess what? The AI is automatically going to respond to them and answer their questions. And in the event, which is very, very rare, in the event that they have a question that Mailbot can't answer or doesn't understand, then your Mailbot is going to send you an email letting you know, hey, your lead had some questions. It's going to post whatever the question is, and then you could reply right through your Mailbot, which I think is really, really cool. Hey, look, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, I'm Troy. I'm looking forward to working with many of you. Take care.